it's Tegan with Off Leash Training Fredericksburg. This here is Maggie. Maggie is a 10-month-old Australian Shepherd. She was just dropped off by her parents. They said some of the issues with her is she pulls a lot when they're trying to walk her, which she has been pulling me around already. Some of her bad manners are whenever they're trying to cook, she'll try to get up on the counters, or she'll try to lick their utensils and things like that while they're cooking. Yeah, just the general bad manners. Apparently she has some excessive barking. She'll bark at people and dogs, even if they're just walking past the house and she sees them from inside. So we're gonna work on some of those behaviors, but let's see where she's at right now, and we'll check back in after 2 weeks. Maggie, come. Yes, good girl, good girl. Maggie, 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 sit. Yes, good. Maggie, down, 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 down. Maggie, place, place. Maggie, place. Maggie, here, 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 here. Yeah, definitely a puller. So that's where we're at. Basically a base level. She's got the sit going for her, but yes, everything else needs some work. So we will check back in 2 weeks and see her progress.